Our motto is, all are welcome here. And it's so very important that you understand that our doors are open all the time for anyone, whether in need or just for solace. Please join us here at St. Stephen's Church. I appreciate it, and we all appreciate you being a part of the community.
This event is our Youth Pride event, the second annual event we're having. The idea came for this from our BU youth group, which is a youth group for LGBTQ students who are in high school. And really for me, it's an expression of how we show the community that all are welcome, no matter their gender, race, sexuality, age. We do believe that God welcomes all. So the benefit for the community is just an awareness, not only that St. Stephen's is here, but that it's an open church. It's a beautiful building, and we work hard to make sure that the community is always outside the building, so that when people walking by on the Common or just down the street know that we're here and welcome to all. That's why we're out on the front lawn of the church with our banners and flags and canopy tents. Just an awareness that there is a safe place for everyone here at St. Stephen's.
I really latched onto the whole thing like at a church, and like I like telling people it's at a church, and they're like, I don't think that's a good idea. And then I explained to them that people are welcome here.
Oh, I decided to be a part of this because many of my friends do identify as LGBTQ and other things, and I just wanted to support them. And also, like, my parents are Christian too, and they're the type of Christians that don't really support this. So when I saw that like a Christian church actually supported this and encouraged it, I thought it was a really cool thing, so I wanted to be a part of it.
I think that this event every year seems to get better and better. The more planning and the more thought that goes into it, the better every year it just seems to be coming together. It's good to see the youth empowered and educated at such a young age, and to have these people put this together for them is awesome.
I wish more places were doing things like this, especially churches. I think St. Stephen's is such a leader and a pillar to really be a good example to other organizations and churches of supporting youth where they're at. And I think it's really amazing that it's also youth run and led.
We're in a very trying time in America. It seems as though we have kind of lost our way in the direction of where we want to go as a country. It's so very important that this generation, like the youth here at BU, understand that they need to take their place in the world and take over from us old fogies and make changes that are necessary to sustain this world and prepare us for a better future and a better tomorrow. So it's up to you guys. It's up to the youth of today to use the technology at their disposal, to use their talents to better our community and our world.